Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include steering wheel controls, stow and go, Uconnect system, third row seating. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.